Hey everyone, if the Wells Fargo app keeps crashing on your iPhone, you are not alone. Let's break down the real reasons why this happens in simple steps. First, outdated app version. One of the most common reasons is an outdated app version of the Wells Fargo app. After new updates, older versions become unstable and start crashing on launch. Second, iOS compatibility issue. If your iPhone is running an older iOS version, the updated Wells Fargo app may not match it. This mismatch leads to instant crashes or freezing screens. Third, corrupted app data. Sometimes the app stores temporary files that gets corrupted. When you open the app, it tries to load that data and crashes immediately. Fourth, network instability. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can make the app fail during login. If it can't connect to Wells Fargo servers, it may crash instead of showing an error. Fifth, VPN or security tools interference. Using a VPN, ad blocker or custom DNS can interrupt Wells Fargo secure connection. This can cause the app to close the moment it starts verifying your login. Sixth, too many background apps. When your iPhone RAM is full, heavy apps like Wells Fargo can't running smoothly. The app may close automatically because it doesn't have enough memory. Seventh, Wells Fargo server problem. If the app started crashing suddenly, for many users, it's likely a server-side issue. In this case, nothing is wrong with your phone. The Wells Fargo backend is temporarily down, and that's why the Wells Fargo app crashes on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.